Today I managed to get my hands on an old macro lens from Sony, the Sony 30mm f3.5, probably the most cheapest autofocus lens out there. On the Yahoo Auctions site it currently sells for $100 or less. On eBay it's a bit higher. The body is made out of plastic and the focus ring is electronically coupled, and the entire lens feels kind of cheap. But the good part is that it's light. It weighs somewhat the same as a kit lens. You know, Sony E-mount autofocus macro lenses are kind of rare. From my memory, there's only like 8 lenses out there. If you're looking for a manual focus one, I feel like you're better off just using a macro extension. I forgot to mention that this lens is made for Sony APS-C cameras. On full frame, you might need to zoom in a bit in order to remove those dark edges. One scenario where autofocus macro lenses are especially helpful is when shooting product reviews. Ever since I bought this lens, it's the only one I've been using for lens reviews. It's way lighter compared to my other lenses. When shooting with a full frame, I kind of like just setting it on full frame mode and just cropping afterwards. For autofocus testing, continuous autofocus hunts or struggles to find the target sometimes, but it's still pretty fast. Single shot autofocus feels much faster and less hunty, but for doing macro shots you'll likely use continuous autofocus more in case your subjects move or shakes. And lastly, for video autofocus, I'll let you be the judge. And I'll just leave the test charts for each aperture here. Thank you for watching.